Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to cancel money transfer on Western Union. First, go to your web browser. Here, open westernunion.com. After that, you need to log in to your account. Then click on Menu on your top right. Go to History. Here you'll find your sending details. I haven't done any transactions yet, so my history folder is empty. Simply click on the transactions which you want to cancel. If there's a green button right below a transaction, it means the sending process has been completed and you cannot cancel it. But if there's a blue button right below a transaction, simply click on it. Your money transfer will be cancelled. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.